Hi everyone, Hannah here. So we are excited to announce our new collection, Memories. This is your junk journal box. When you open it up, you have a stencil, you have some ephemera, some of these little pieces of paper and washi stickers. I just love these washi stickers. We've gotten a lot of really good feedback the last few months that we've been putting them in, so super excited about that. We've got some images, or I guess you can say just vintage literature printed on newsprint. And then this month we have Tyvek. It's taken me a little while to get it, but we finally got some that we're putting in the junk journal boxes. And then we've got our tea-dyed pages. We're subbing those out now. We're not making our own tea-dyed pages, so we're just printing stencil work onto it, and it's really cool. That way you can get the artistic feel of it. We want to keep our our good quality, our options going for you on it. And these are beautiful pages with the new Memories collection. Just loving the color. To me it just screams vintage. It just has this homey feel. It's images of like wallpaper and stuff and picture frames on it. This is the Scrapbook goodie bag that comes with your scrapbook box. You've got the glitter, the sequins, the gem stickers, ink, stamp, chipboard, the journaling cards. You get 15 of those. You get 2 strips of lace, 12 inches each, the embossing powder, and then 5 of the cardstock die cuts. This is the mixed media bundle for this month. So whenever you open it up, you're going to have a chipboard piece. I absolutely love that chipboard. You've got this, it's a pretty good size black tissue paper, and the reason why I put it in there is because we're sending out the Opal Magic paint this month, and it really has a neat effect on a black or dark background. And then you got this lovely napkin. I just love floral prints, and of course the black and white. And we're sending out these are soft pastels. And then these, you get a little bead pack. It's been a while since we've done that, so excited about that. This is the gorgeous fabric and lace bundle this month, and you get all of these little goodies in here, as well as the red and white fabric. It wasn't pictured on there. And then this is the ephemera bundle. This is the mixed media box that's going out this month. Lots of goodies, and you've got the tutorial here, and I've sent out links on that. This is the mini mixed media box, adorable, and we're going to alter this and turn it into a flower vase. So I hope that you love this month's boxes. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to us. Thank you so much.